Canon fans, it's finally happening. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is no longer just a rumor. It's real, and the latest leaks have confirmed some major details that are going to change the APS-C mirrorless game. From a brand new high-speed sensor to insane burst rates, pro-level 6K video recording, and a design that feels more like an R5 than a mid-range camera, this might just be the biggest Canon upgrade of 2025. In today's video, we're breaking down everything we know so far, the latest confirmed specs, leaked performance numbers, and even the expected release date and price range as of October 12, 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, a sports shooter, or a hybrid creator who needs pro power without the full-frame price tag, the R7 Mark II could be exactly what you've been waiting for. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive deep into what makes the Canon EOS R7 Mark II one of the most exciting camera releases we've seen this year. The mirrorless camera world has been buzzing with anticipation, and among the most watched models is the upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II. For many photographers and hybrid shooters, the original EOS R7 set a new benchmark in APS-C mirrorless performance. But now, as we approach October 12, 2025, fresh leaks and confirmed details are beginning to paint a clearer picture of what Canon has in store, and if the rumors hold true, the R7 Mark II may represent the most significant upgrade in the APS-C space in years. Let's begin by looking at the sensor, the heart of any camera's image quality. According to multiple sources, the R7 Mark II will retain the APS-C size format, but heralds a leap forward in resolution and readout speed. Some insiders suggest a 33-megapixel stack sensor or a refined 32.5 MP version that adds improved readout speeds, markedly reduced rolling shutter, and enhanced dynamic range for video and stills alike. While Canon has not officially confirmed these numbers, the pattern is clear. This model is being positioned as a mini version of their higher-end R5 class bodies, bridging the gap between professional performance and more accessible pricing. Complementing the sensor overhaul is said to be Canon's next-generation processing system, with talk of the Digic X paired with a Digic accelerator or equivalent enhancement, enabling faster buffer clearing, higher burst rates, and longer sustained video recording without overheating. Some sources claim the camera may approach 40 frames per second with full electronic shutter in stills mode, a feature previously seen only in more expensive full-frame bodies. For action, sports, or wildlife shooters using APS-C, that could be a game-changer. On the video front, the R7 Mark II leaks point to serious capability, potentially 4K at 120 frames per second, 6K video support, and improved log profiles, Canon Log 3/Log 4, for creators who demand. For many hybrid shooters, this would mean a single body capable of delivering broadcast-ready video and stills, without compromise. Ergonomics and build quality are not being neglected either. Reports indicate a larger body compared to the original R7, improved grip for larger hands, higher resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF, and a more refined rear touchscreen, perhaps even a multi-axis vari-angle design. Vernon Chalmers. Photography. Weather sealing, dual card slots, likely SD UHS-2, and USB-C 10 gigabits per second ports are expected to make their return, bringing professional-grade connectivity into the APS-C space. But what about timing? As of October 12, 2025, sources widely agree that Canon is